Welcome to the ultimate guide to building the best gaming PC in 2024. In this video, we'll go through each essential component you'll need to build a high-performance gaming rig this year. First up is the CPU. The Intel Core i9-14900K is our top pick for its exceptional processing power, perfect for any demanding gaming title. Next, the GPU. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 delivers cutting-edge performance with its advanced ray tracing capabilities and AI-enhanced gaming experiences. For the motherboard, the Asus ROG Maximus Z790 Hero stands out with its superior overclocking potential and support for the latest technologies. Memory is crucial, and the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR5 6000 offers blazing fast speeds, making sure your system stays responsive even under heavy load. For storage, the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB NVMe SSD offers both speed and capacity, ensuring your games load in an instant. Power your rig with the Corsair RM1000X 1000W power supply, offering stable and efficient energy output for all your high-end components. To keep things cool, the NZXT Kraken Z73 RGB AIO is an excellent choice, maintaining low temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. Finally, encase your build in the Lianli PC 011 Dynamic EVO, known for its great airflow and striking aesthetics. And there you have it. These are the best parts to build a gaming powerhouse in 2024. Please note that this data is gathered from various sources on the internet, and I recommend doing your own research to decide which components suit your needs the best. Thanks for watching, and happy building!